Plowing is the process of turning over and loosening the top layer of soil. Plowing makes it easier for seedling crops to take root and has the added benefit of removing crop residue and weeds. There are many different ways to plow land, depending on the equipment you have and the size of your field. You may need to use anything from a tractor-pulled plowing rig to a simple spade and rake, or sometimes using an animal in case of small-sized fields. Today I have joined Mr. Bark in a field to show you how he manages plowing and the techniques he uses to do this job. First, I will talk about the equipment you need for the plowing process. You need a tractor and a plow, but of course there are different types of plows which give different results and are used for different purposes. These types are disc plow, chisel plow, which is the one you see in a video, ridge plow, moldboard plow, and more. So when you decide to plow a field, you have to. Number 1. Schedule your plowing just before planting. The purpose of plowing is to get the field ready for crops to be planted. For this reason, the best time to plow generally is right before you plan to plant your crops. Generally, this means the beginning of the growing season, which can vary based on where you live and the weather of your country. Number 2. Check your equipment. This is important if using a tractor or other mechanized plowing machines. Make sure all parts are in good working order following winter storage. Check fluids or lubricants and make sure the tires have adequate pressure. Number 3. Clear the fields of obstructions. Take a walk through the field looking for any obstacles like rocks, pieces of wood that can be removed. Try to get the field as level as possible by filling in small holes or smoothing out raised patches. Take note of any obstacles which you cannot remove like trees, boulders, etc. and make sure you avoid them while plowing. Number 4. Plan out the plow route. Make the best use of your time and effort. Plan a route that is as efficient as possible. Know where you will need to stop and turn the plow. You will also want to make sure you know where the edges of your field are so you don't plow into another person's field. Number 5. Level the plowing rig. The best results, the plow pulled by the tractor must be leveled from side to side and from front to back. The more plow blades on a rig, the more important levelness is. Number 6. Set the depth of your plow. When you're using a mechanical rig, you can use hydraulic controls to change the depth of your plows as you work. However, the plow shouldn't be so deep that it causes the tractor to labor hard. The exact way to adjust the plow's depth will vary from rig to rig. Number 7. Plow in every rows. Position your tractor with the plowing rig hitched behind it in the corner of your field. Start plowing your field in rows, using the hydraulic controls to lower the plows into the soil. When you reach the end of a row, raise the plows out of the ground as you turn, then lower them again for the next row. Number 8. What should you do when using animals to plow? If plowing by hand or using animal plowing, make sure the blades are straight and that whoever or whatever is pulling the plow is healthy and strong. Pick a draft animal that is tamed to the plow. Several different animals are suitable for plowing depending on where you are on planet Earth. Among the most common are horses, donkeys, mules, camels, and cows or oxen. Whichever animal you use should be tamed to the plow. That is, it should be calm, comfortable, and obedient with this sort of work. I hope this video will be very interesting to watch and will help you learn something about plowing fields. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and send us some feedback. Thanks.